This is No Mat, No Problem, and today we're looking at how to drill the knee slice pass using a simple balance ball. The version of knee slice pass we're talking about is just the standard. Key here is getting the underhook and sliding through the guard and then finishing in a pin like the case katami or regular side control. We simulate this on the ball by having to imagine you're gripping the underhook and then sliding your leg through to establish your pin. When we do this on our opponent, we have to get the underhook so we don't get our back taken, and we have to pin with our weight in order to complete the pass. The ball works really well for this because it'll try to bounce you off, give you a little bit of feedback, kind of like simulating an opponent, and you can drill knee slicing left and right, going in and out of guard without having to worry about kneeing your opponent, beating them up a little bit, being a little too rough on the drill, and you can work on getting your coordination down for this move. I have a lot more short form drill videos up on YouTube already, and for additional funny BJJ content, check out my book Keep Rolling on Amazon.com.